So, I don't use that much tags in TickTick, but I do use filters, and I'm getting ready to show you here on TickTick how you can utilize filters in order to see if you have any tasks that might be overdue. So let's get to it, and let me show you what I'm talking about here in TickTick. So as you see here, I have TickTick opened up here on the desktop. And today's episode is going to be focused on the overdue filter that I created. Now, I don't use tags very rarely anymore, to be honest with you. But I do use filters, and one of my favorite filters is the overdue filter. And why is that important? Well, sometimes, and not all the times, but sometimes you might let things slip through the cracks. Maybe you forgot to click off a task, and sometimes I've done that. You know, a day goes by and I forgot to click off the remaining of my tasks, and then another day goes by, another day goes by. And on my weekly review though, I usually will click on the overdue, which is right up here, and I will see if I have any that are overdue. Some that I forgot to click off on, and I want to clean up my system, right? Now, if you notice, it's pinned up here at the top, but the filter is right down here in underneath filters, and I had right clicked on it and I had pinned it to the top, so I don't have to go through all these filters to get to what I want. It's just really easy accessible. So if I click on that, you see that I have a task that is overdue by 13 days that I forgot to click off of, right? Well, this is a way you can catch anything that slips through the cracks as far as overdue tasks. But how did I set that up? Well, if you look here at my overdue task, if I right click on this, I can hit edit, and it shows you here on this screen how I set it up. So I went ahead and put in a little frowny face and put overdue, right? And I selected all lists because I want it to be for all of my lists. It's not just specific to personal or my day job, right? I want it for all of my lists. And I selected all tags because everything's got to be included because I'm trying to catch everything that fell through the cracks. And then the date I selected for overdue, right? And then priority, doesn't really matter. I just keep it at all. And then include, I don't put anything in this box. In the advanced section, I don't need anything because I want to catch it all. I want to catch everything. All tasks that went into this system in TickTick, I want to catch any that are overdue. It's a really simple filter that you can set up. Once you set it up, then you can right click on it and pin to the top. So if I unpin it, it disappears. And if I pin it again, right, it winds up back up here. And so I usually move it around like this to the first thing up here. Okay? So I know this is a kind of a quick little episode, but I did want to kind of show you all that you can have a catch-all thing to catch any kind of things that weasel their way through that you maybe forgot to click on and to get out of your system, right? So you don't have tasks just lingering in the past that had never been checked off. Just helps clean up the system in case you are ever going back to certain dates and you're looking for stuff that you might have completed and you're like, well, what the heck is this task? Did I ever do this task? It's to catch those things that fall through the cracks. So I hope you all enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye. Should I check that off? I don't know. Did I ever close that barn door?